Hey, thanks for tuning in to yet another video. We are out here riding at night just to show you guys these night light from Amazon. The auxiliary lamps that I installed on the bike many weeks ago. Never did a follow-up on these lights. And here in California, I honestly don't believe these lights are probably legal. And as you can see, I'm gonna just sit up on the passenger seat so you guys can see the difference, and I'm gonna turn them on, and look at that. Look, it is a big difference. I can see a whole lot more even with my tinted visor as well. Look, I could, you know, and honestly I was actually surprised having these lights aiming down. I could still even see the branches up there on the top. I mean, these lights are bright. They're only about $20 and they're weatherproof as well. I mean, I've seen some of the reviews on these night lights, auxiliary lamps. I've seen the reviews on these, and you know, people beat them up pretty good and they still turn on. You know, there's a few of them, they use them on their off-roading trucks, their Jeeps and stuff like that, and they really put them to the, you know, through the ringer. And that's why I went ahead with these. I saw Connor, the other YouTuber, he actually had one with the, like I said, that other amber light switch. But I wanted a cleaner look on the switch. I didn't want to have another switch up here kind of taking over on my rocker switch. So I went ahead and I went with these, and I honestly thought that with just aiming them down, I would probably get away with not getting pulled over or anything like that. But yeah, they're pretty bright. So let me just find a place to kind of pull over. You guys should probably take a look at them. And if you were wondering about installing some auxiliary lamps on your bike, then you know what, they look pretty good. They're not that you know, they don't stand out too much. I know Custom Dynamics they actually sell a kit themselves too, and they look pretty good. But I mean, to be paying, I don't know, I believe they had their kit for about $100 and plus the wiring and everything else. But I think the kit they sell, it's mainly for touring models. So whatever touring model you have, they have a plug and play for your bike. So that's why I went ahead with these Amazon lights. And you know, for $20, they're not very expensive. They're not breaking the bank. The switch itself, the switch itself costs more than the dang lights. The rocker switch alone was $20, and I believe the housing for the rocker switch was $40. So that was $60 just for the switch controls. But you know what? They look pretty clean. They look stock. I like the way they look. Yeah, they look good, and they're really bright. And the lights themselves, they're about $20. I mean, look at this. You know, you see this coming down the road for sure. You know, if you don't see this, then you must be blind to be out on the road. If you don't see me coming down the road, honestly, look how bright these are, and they look pretty good too. The bracket themselves, they're about $9 for the bracket. You want to get the smaller one because I got both of them. I got the big one and the smaller one just in case, because I wasn't really too sure with the 1.25" crash bar that's on these bikes. Someone's coming over. So yeah, these are pretty bright. I am happy with these night lights. Like I said, $20 on Amazon. And of course, if you're looking for a switch kind of like mine, then had another person kind of looking for the same setup. I guess they're probably sold out at the time. But if you're out there, then you know, this is Harley-Davidson's rocker switch. They sell them for either side, left or right, so wherever you want to place it, it's all good. And if you see my other videos, now you know what that light is for. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. If you guys like watching motorcycle content, I also upload regularly. And thanks for watching. All right, you guys ride safe. Later.